Hi friends, we're in my kitchen because I want to talk about HelloFresh. This isn't a sponsored video or anything. I just want to tell you why it's awesome and why I think you should consider it. And I'm sure you've seen or heard a million sponsored ads for HelloFresh or something like that. But I kind of want to go through it, how it worked well for our family, and how I think it's really brought sanity to dinner time for us. And I don't want to say I'm smitten, but it has really helped my brain since last summer. We've had HelloFresh since summer of 2020. It is right now, it is spring 2021. I've gotten 43 boxes, which is about 170 meals, depending on about we generally have between 3 and 5 per week. And it's just relieved my brain from having to decide what to cook and what I should feed my family. Me, I have a marketing company. I'm a pretty busy guy. My wife's a software engineer, so she's very, very busy. I handle all the cooking in the house, everything. My wife can't be trusted to boil water. And we have 2 kids. We have a 5-year-old and an 8-year-old, 2 little boys. I would consider myself a pretty avid home cook. I'm pretty good. I've owned a food truck. I know a lot about going to flavors and different menus, and there's literally nothing you can't show me that I can't probably cook. We've had a couple times black bean soup, poblano soup, but during the past year, especially during the pandemic, we hit this point in lockdown where it felt like I was making the same food over and over again. Like seriously, it felt like I was making the same food constantly. To-go restaurant, onion, black beans in a container, cilantro in a nice individual size. This is a huge poblano, which is pretty cool. Tomato paste, Tex-Mex paste, some warm and smoky sauce, tomato, just Monterey Jack, more stock, veggie stock, and a lime. And then this one's kind of cool because it comes with a bag of tortilla chips for you to crumple over your and I got burnt out. And it wasn't until we went to a friend's house and I saw they had HelloFresh that I started being like, oh, this might work. Because I do the grocery shopping. I go out, I pick the menus, I do that. And when I hit this point, I just couldn't anymore. I was exasperated. I literally just couldn't look at anything. And those super quick trips to the grocery store, even ordering stuff, just literally got on my nerves. And it was I'm sure some of you were in that same position where you just couldn't cook another thing. So we subscribe to HelloFresh. We get the 2 meals, 2 servings per meal. We get 3 to 5 meals a week. You can pick what you get in the app, which is pretty cool. And if you didn't know what HelloFresh was, and frankly, it's just so easy to, pick a card, match it to the meal in the fridge, and just make it. With just a little knowledge about the stove, it's easy to get through a meal and make it happen. And as I said, I'm a pretty adept cook. I can cook anything. I like cooking most of the time. But when I don't want to cook, I reach for this. When I reach for this and I make something, and they're pretty quick. Prep 5 minutes, cook 20 minutes, and it gives you your calorie count and everything like that. The meals for 2, most of the times we have enough that can feed our boys with us. The meals for 4 are big. So that's definitely for like 4 adults. And as an experienced cook, I learned some techniques from the way that they think through their recipes. And they use a lot of cream cheese, a lot of sour cream as sauce bases, which I think is great because you add just a little and you can create these great sauces just from those those amounts. And I like that they're not afraid to make you pickle your vegetables. They're not afraid to kind of let you try something and set something up to as a garnish. They always have like where you mix sour cream with chipotle sauce or sour cream with sriracha, just to give you some variety in the flavors that you're eating. Some ways that I've used it that I don't think people would think about is we did rented a timeshare in Park City, Utah. We're in Colorado, and we just took the box with us on our road trip. So when we got there, we had a box of food with all the condiments and stuff instead of having to go grocery shopping right away, which we did. But you don't have to plan those meals when you're able to take the whole box with you and have everything there. Also, my family, my sister and her children came out to visit us over Christmas, and we switched to the 4-person meal plan just for that week. And it was easy to do in the app, switch everything up and let them, see how it's cooked. And we had some great meals. And again, no drama with figuring out what we're going to have. This is figgy balsamic pork. Just give you an example of how it comes. Here's carrots, some fig jam. Again, this is balsamic. And then what do we got? An onion, just a normal white onion. Some potatoes and stock. They always have different stocks in there. And again, it's one of those finishing touches that just make everything good, gives it that extra, the sauces, that extra body. It's a pork cutlet, 10-ounce pork cutlet, right there, ready to be used. Again, there's certainly weeks when the weekends where I may have an extra bag in there that I haven't used, and where I've cannibalized the ingredients to make something else that I want. We've gotten the vegetarian meals quite a bit and just made fish with it, or brought our own protein with it. And so you're not kind of stuck in this routine. It's just there for when you can get it. So I do have some complaints, a couple things that that you should be aware of, and I think there are things that happen rarely. It's not normal for us to go through this. Weather, you're expecting a box to show up. We had some severe weather this winter where we didn't get a couple boxes for a couple weeks. Obviously the backup plan was going grocery shopping, but when you're kind of used to it, you just have to have a backup plan. Then also the produce, most of the produce has really been great. I wouldn't say it's any different than what I get in the grocery store. The difference is sometimes is the produce size. You may get a tiny bell pepper one time, or they have this thing where they keep sending Persian cucumbers, and I swear they're like tiny pickles. So the produce sizes are a little off sometimes. And then overall, the thing that I'm sure everybody's big complaint is the packaging. You get a box that you have to deal with, you get packaging. Overall, I'd highly recommend it. If you're hitting your head over the wall trying to figure out what to cook, or just getting sick of your own food, try it. Again, this video is not sponsored. I put my link if you want to try a referral, try it out for yourself. But as a dad who has limited time, who wants to get something better than ordering DoorDash or ordering food or having the same chicken nuggets over and over again, this is just a lifesaver, and I'd highly recommend it. If you have any questions about it, or let me know your thoughts on HelloFresh. I am surprised I've used it as long as we have, but I also am not going to give it up. I don't foresee ending it in any time soon. So thanks for watching.